review is that I really, really like it. I love the liquid eyeshadows the most. I think they're my favorite. I love how they go on the lids and they're not super drying and they don't get clumpy. I feel like they look really, really smooth and silky on the lid, which is kind of hard to find liquid shadows that go on like that, because a lot of them will dry and like look really just crumpled up and crappy. So I really, really like it, and they hold their pigment, which is awesome. Not a fan of the lip gloss. It just feels thick to me, but I love the lip liners. I feel like they feel like lipstick going on my lips. And again, I love that red lipstick. It's probably my new favorite red lipstick of all time. And I feel like red lipsticks, for me personally, it's hard for me to find ones that I really like, because a lot of them can have too much brown or like too much purple pigment in. I know reds are really hard to make like in the factory, so I don't know, it's just, I'm picky with reds, and I think it's really pretty because it's just like the perfect cherry red. The eyeliners, I love how they dry really fast, so when you put them on, if you want to do like a cat eye, if you blink or forget to not look up, it's not going to transfer to the top lid, because a lot of them, if they don't dry quick, that happens, and then you basically have to start from scratch, and it sucks. So I really like this line. I think she did good. I can't wait to see more stuff that she comes out with, and I'm really feeling using this eyeshadow as highlight. Looks really pretty on the skin. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you soon.